Welcome back to our channel. This was our first time attending the Children's Gasparilla Parade in Tampa, Florida, and it did not disappoint. From the colorful floats and tons of beads to the amazing nighttime air show and beautiful fireworks, the whole event was unforgettable. We're starting off by sharing the schedule of events. We made it just in time for the second half of the day, so let's jump into the whole experience. We found parking just a short 10-minute walk away, made our way over to the parade route, and the fun started immediately. Here's how our day went. After all that walking, we worked up an appetite, so we stopped by to get some food before the air show. This event is widely considered one of the largest children's parades in the country. It features pirate-themed festivities, an air show, and fireworks. This year, the estimated attendance was about 150,000 people. Thanks for spending the day with us at the Children's Gasparilla Parade 2026. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more family fun trips and tiny house adventures. Bye!